Hi, it's Paulo Haddad, and in this video I'll show you how you can get results for elements. So before I go to the video, again, please guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot to understand if you are enjoying the content that I'm creating. So let's go to the computer now. Here I have a new file called read results element. And basically in this case I'll be reading results for a power flow. So just to make sure we are here, DSS, text, and then I'll do solve. Again, it's important to say that the type of results that I'll be getting here is always for the last power flow you have solved. Let's say you have a time series simulation, 24 hours for instance. Everything we'll see here will be related to the last hour, right? So if you want to know more about it, I have a basic OpenDSS tutorial in English that you can watch. I'll leave here the card so you can have a better understand of what I mean here. Well, let's say solve, even though in my file I saw that I have the solve command there, but just to make sure, you know, if you want to change here your feeder, I will be performing the solve command for you. Okay, I would like to get results for the line we were looking at, so for this guy. Okay, so what we do then, we go there, so sorry, not this file, this file. So what we need to do, we need to activate it to have that element, this line, available for our CKT element methods. So how we do that, remember, circuit set active element, and then I'll give that line. Then I'll print here and I'll stop here. So right click, debug, you stop there, and then evaluate expression. What I'm gonna do, DSS CKT element, and then I'm gonna get the name just to make sure that I'll have line 650632. Perfect, cool. All right, so what we can get here, well, we can get voltage powers. The first one, powers. We have 11 elements. So remember, this line has two terminals. Two terminals, let's see if I can get here. Terminal, number of terminals, two terminals. Maybe conductors as well. Conductors, OpenDSS provide everything. So I have two terminals, each terminal we have three conductors, we know three phase. So I have 6 voltages. I was seeing powers, right? Powers, yes. So I have 6 values for active power and 6 for reactive power. So active, reactive, active, reactive, active, reactive for the first terminal, and the others for the second terminal. Remember that OpenDSS assumes that the power is positive when entering the terminals. But in this line we have power entering the first terminal and getting out in the second terminal. That's why the result for the second terminal is negative. Well, if you look at those results, and you know, sometimes it's good to make sure they are right and you understand what they mean. You know, look at the video I have in my basic OpenDSS tutorial that I show you how to understand the reports for power results, and then you can double check and compare. What is this? Is this active power? Yes. This is reactive power. What is the unit here? Is kW? Is W? What is that? So check that, and if you have any questions, just leave in the section below, right? Cool. What else we can get? Voltages. Oh, magnitude and angle. Again, 12 values, 2 for each phase. First terminal, second terminal. And here, guys, is magnitude and angle, right? So what is this? Check again the report in OpenDSS and say, well, this is voltage, I guess, right? What is this angle? This angle is degree, or yeah, I guess so, 120. Yeah, makes sense. So you can look at the report and make sure you understand those results. All right, guys, so as you can see, you have a bunch of options here, a lot. You can current, you know, you have a lot of losses, you have a lot of things that you can explore and get here, either, you know, as a just a property that I have defined when you created your element, or a result that you have after performing a simulation. And in our case, we just did a snapshot, just one power flow, right? So very nice, very nice. Again, if you are enjoying the content that I've been creating, you know, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That will help me to identify and understand that you are like, okay, that's a good deal, those videos are great, that's what I want, you know. But if you have any suggestions and anything different, you know, put in the comment section below. They'll help me a lot. And again, I hope to see you in the next video.